I want to make a small and short announcement. People is officially in presence of all our senior leaders, MDCs, also with the General Secretary, Manav, Mr. Chief Polloy, Guru Potter, Anthony, and all the young friends from who have just joined in from Atisa, who merged with us, and our youth leaders. We are happy to announce that from today onwards, we will have a youth frontal organization under the banner Youth Tripura Federation, YTF. This youth front will be in not only in Agartala, but will be in every district of Tripura, will be in every block, village of Tripura. This is a youth organization. This will also be not only restricted to the state of Tripura, will also have its units anywhere in India where there are Triprasas living. And this youth Tripura Federation, YTF, according to me, will be the backbone of all our movements, be it of Greater Tripura Land, be it of NRC, be it of Citizenship Amendment Act. It will also be the backbone for our next generation. So I am giving this organization my full commitment, my full support, and I believe that it is only with the youth that future generation can be secure. At one time, there was a young man who took it upon himself to ensure that every Triprasa got education. That young man was jailed several times. He never gave up. And today, he's sitting right next to me. He started this movement by trying to educate the Triprasas. There was a time when there was this boy from Shillong who got inspired by the Triprasas, who was studying there and started helping them. And today is the chairman of Tripura. We are standing in front of him. I believe that if you want to be successful, the motivation, the ideology has to happen when we are young. Our ideology is not to hate anyone. Our ideology is not to discriminate any community. Our ideology is not to be against any religion. Our ideology is for Greater Tripura Land. And I believe that till the time we do not compromise on it, we will be successful. The day we dilute it for personal positions, we will no longer be acceptable to our people or to even ourselves. I am very happy to announce that the first president of YTF will be the MDC, Runil Deparma, and the working president is also here, Pitor Kayum. He will also be there along with the central executive body, along with general secretaries, along with all those who have remained loyal to us, all those who believe in our ideology. Many people may say that they may have been against us. How are you accepting them today? Let me tell this to all my supporters. Let me tell this to all my critics. Somebody may have criticized me. Pitor may have said something against me in social media. But at that time, he was a party member of another organization. And they were told to take a party position against me. But being a Mubagra, it is in my mentality, it is in my psychology to forget and forgive. And the ideology is bigger than even my own survival. So it is very important for me to not only give people who have been close to me some chance, but to everyone, to give everyone opportunity. So I'm very happy that Pitor and his entire team have come and joined. They will be accommodated. They will be given respectable positions, and our commitment is for Greater Tipraland. If there is any questions that you want to ask, I'll be more than happy to answer them. I would also like to congratulate our MDC, Runil De Parma. I would like to congratulate Vishwajit Koloy. I would like to congratulate Guru Poto Jamatya, De Parma. I would like to congratulate Manav, Uma Shankar, who have also been a part of a student organization, who also belong to the youth INPT, and now they've merged with us. Guru Poto, who was a former TSF president himself, was part of Tipraland State Party, has played a very important role. Vishwajit Koloy, who was a former TSF very eminent leader, who's been with us. I would like to thank Vijay Rampalji. He has taken his time out and come and been a part of this press conference. And everyone who's here, who's behind me, whether it is Lemon, whether it is Sajra, whether it is Apon, whether it is Suraj, whether it's Athar, there are many other people I will not be able to mention their names here. So Kendu, Saudagar, I would like to thank every one of them right now. I'm happy to announce the opening of YTF, Youth Tipra Federation, which will be following and helping every youth, every student across the breadth and length of this country. Any questions? I'll be more than happy to answer. What is the motto of this? The motto is